On 5th October 2021, the MLA of Milliam constituency, Hamletson Dotling, while speaking to Media Plus, stated that though there are prospective candidates within the party, yet the PDF has no plans to take part in the forthcoming by-elections to the 13 Maurangkaneng and 24 Mauplang Assembly constituencies in the state. Another reason for not fielding any candidates is because the preparation time for the by-elections is too limited, said Hamlet Dotling.
Kada kalau maraba kapur kala kim palat baru ka log ya ka parti ka bang siji yaki candidate. Pagla dang gidon ki candidate jungi babiang napo markoneng ba napo Mauplang gidon nrai ilarai ba nginam penjang kari pamanta bat ngin phajmat bet habdi berka election juga ar hajar lah.
When asked about the support of the PDF to any party in the by-elections, Hamlet Dotling informed that his party would not campaign or support anyone but would leave it to the wisdom of the public in their choice of a representative.
Pi hadu manta kum ke parti ngim parai ban kersan ya yunu ru di yakri ke manta gilang yang nya perkhat mamba we bagim simanta dal jong ru natrai ke jingi simanta ngal jungi kum ke parti kan jangai dan rek pada bagi jengdon jongki nongilam jungi bagi member jungi poki atli konstitusi kata ngis pembai pada naglang jupati kai bagi di banya epkum belum monta ho ni dan lang po ke MD government bagi wiki parti ki banele ya ke by election naglang jong ke parti keempat dan kenu no kajeng kerpat bani teklang nam ta ke election di naglang jong ngiru kum ke parti ru nomor bangi milik yel jong ru di pasang iba bantesan zel jong nang nika by election but ni be jahak jek sat jong ki nonglam jungi baki dekat jong ka parti jugi badan atli konstitusi.